everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I know it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. I wanted to come on today to say hello to everyone and hope all is well. Happy fall, y'all. We are in the month of October, and the whole year has really gone by for me. I've been spending a lot of time with family and a hubby, and we've been going to the gym a lot more after work instead of jumping into my craft room a lot more this year. I've been working on my health, so I'm feeling good, and I hope to do a couple of holiday projects coming up, but I wanted to come on today to say hi to everybody and see how everyone is doing, and also to share with you a fall is in the air swap with MsFunKreations. You know her as Miss LadyKre on YouTube and on Instagram. She is MsFunKreations, and I will put all of her details below. She is my beautiful sis that is always so vivacious. I love her energy. I love her videos. She always inspires me to create beautiful cards. She's always working on some beautiful, beautiful projects. And I wanted to work on a couple of things that I haven't used before as much as I do have, and that is currently in my stash. So I wanted to create something that was extra special, that is near and dear to my heart, which is Prima. I went to Frank Garcia's studio last year, and this is incredibly my stash from last year that I have not touched. And I finally cracked open my vault and pulled out my Amber Moon collection. Before I start into the details of the project, what we agreed on for our Happy Mail swap was to make a handmade card, 3 embellishments, 1 dangle, a 3x3 note card with the envelope, and include a favorite sweet treat as well as a goodie of choice. So what I did was, again, I used my Prima Amber Moon fun finds I found at Frank Garcia's studio, and these are really cute fall papers, and that's a quick little flip through. I used my Julie Nutting cling stamp, and this is the Julia stamp that I used. So I used the stamps and the papers to stamp out her image as well as her clothing, and I paper pieced it. Fussy cut and paper pieced. It's a very relaxing project. This is also the 8x8 that I also picked up. I also picked up an album so that I can create a fall album with this. And this is $10 at Frank Garcia's studio last year. And this I also picked up the 8x11, if you will, paper pad, and this is my favorite of all time design that he designed. It's just gorgeous. So let's share the handmade card. So this is a 6x6 easel card that I created using the paper collection and the ephemera. And if you don't know what an easel card is, I will link a video. There's a lot of YouTubers that have created this type of design card, and she can just place this on top of her desk if she would like to display it for the fall. And I will include a handwritten note for her in a separate piece so I don't write all over this card. But I used the In Love Art Shop die that was sent to me to be reviewed, and it is this die. And I have a separate video detailing a little bit more of the dies and all the information in that other video. But I cut the die out in 2 separate pieces, and I added it to the top and the bottom. And then I added the journaling card. And there's a journaling card. It's like a fall background theme journaling card, and I layered it on the background. This is the ephemera piece from the Amber Moon collection. And let's see. Yes, it is the Amber Moon ephemera piece, and there's 49 pieces in it. And I layered this as well as the little bird. These are some of the, oh gosh, I forget what these are called, the little bling pieces. I added those, and then these are the leaves from the Prima flower collection. I tucked in some of the leaves in different spots, and then I fussy cut this image from the paper collection, and I added that to the bottom layer, and then a little catalog, a library card on the back. This as well, layered this as well as this ephemera piece, and this is the Prima flower collection. This I believe matches the Amber Moon collection as well. And I had picked up the flower box pieces at his studio as well. So this is what the card looks like, and it sits up like so. So another project that I created was the embellishment, embellies, which is this one. I used a lot of my Jaded Blossom dies, and so this is the coffee die, and this is the little coffee cup that I created using the paper collection, Amber Moon paper collection, and ephemera. So I created 3. I added 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And this is also a Jaded Blossom die. This is the Rick Rack Topper die, and another one of my favorites. And I know that it is also another one of Miss LadyKre's favorite dies as well, because she uses it a lot in her projects to create some really fun ways to package up her treats. I am giving her a goodie, and this is the little, the self-adhesive sealing bags that I got from Dollar King, where my parents live. I don't have one locally here, so when I go visit my parents, I pick up a bunch. So that's going to be a goodie that I'm going to be sending to her, and it fits perfectly with this die. So that's how I packaged it up. And then another thing that I did was I created, this is extra. So I wanted to find a way to add the dangle piece. So I created this Julie Nutting bookmark tag, if you will. I used her to stamp onto the paper collection, and I fussy cut out some pants, some leaves for her shoes, and she has a little coat that I added different layers of the little map, and then I used my Copics, and I just colored her face and her hair, and then I used my Memento just to outline her. My Memento marker just to outline her, just to make her clean her up a little bit. And again, the ephemera pieces, some layering leaves in the back, some of the florals, hot glued everything, and little rose gold heart, and some bling. Just layered everything. And this is also another In Love Arts die. and really pretty. So this is the dangle that I created, and I added it. I punched a hole on the top, and then I just added it with the lobster clasp that I got at Tuesday morning a long time ago. So I used my stash, and what I did was I wire wrapped my beads. So I took cream colored beads of different fall shades, and I wire wrapped, and also glass beads, some clear glass beads, and I wire wrapped all of them, each one. And then these are some rose resin pieces. I don't remember where I picked up these. A lot of these from my stash, I usually pick up whenever Joann's has their 70% off sale from in their bead section, and I just kind of go through the aisle and see which one would be my favorite. Sorry if you hear some rumbling in the background. It's a helicopter. Unfortunately, there are some fires from the high winds in my area. Thank goodness we haven't been told to evacuate, but it is about 2 miles away from us at this time, and I'm praying for everyone to be safe, the firefighters, which are our everyday heroes, to be safe. Hopefully all is well with everyone and everyone is safely evacuating. So, and in any case, this is just wire wrapping, and I pulled a lot of the inspiration from the bead wire wrapping from LadyKre Creations. Hi, Anna. She does a lot of bead videos that I put bookmarked in my YouTube so I can, binge watch and learn from her, and that's what I did. And created this dangle. So the chain I got at Joann's as well, and I just took out the what was on the chain and just added a whole bunch of this, and then on the bottom the little owl, and that's how it lays on behind the bookmark. Now what I didn't realize was that I had forgotten that as part of the challenge we were going to place everything in the little boxed USPS $8 box. And I think this is a little bit too big for the box, so I'm going to cheat a little bit and put it in a different box because I want to give her a little something extra. So another thing is we're to swap a favorite sweet treat. My favorite sweet treat in the past. I can't have as much sugar as I loved before, but this is a butterscotch lollipop. I absolutely love it. I love to give this as a sweet treat to my friends and pen pals, and I used my lollipop die. This is from Jaded Blossom as well, and I cut out with the prettiest paper, my favorite paper collection, and I add a little ephemera piece that says start each day with a grateful heart. And this is a faux bow that was rose gold, that was created from a swap, I believe Rhonda. Hi, Rhonda. We did a mermaid swap, and she made a whole bunch of these for me. So I pulled that out, and I added this. I thought it was really cute. The 3x3 card with accompanying envelope. I love this little polka dot envelope. And this is an envelope. I couldn't find my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, so I pulled out my envelope die, and this is exactly for a 3x3 card. And it fits perfectly on this 3x3. And so what I did was I used the You're a Hoot, the little owl. I stamped it on the back of one of the journaling cards. And the journaling card has, it's like a marbled paper. And so all I did was fussy cut it. I used my Memento to clean everything up, and then I added some of these liquid pearls on top, distressed a couple of the layers, and voila, there it is. A little 3x3 card. Cutesy. And inside I put a little ephemera piece that says it's pumpkin season. It's so, so cute. So that is what we are swapping today. I hope everyone is well, is healthy, and will be spending a lot more time with their family and spending time on self-care, because that is vital for yourself, and so that you can continue to spend, you know, good times with family. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below, or comment if you liked what I created. And also please go check out Ms. Fun KREations. She will be sharing what she created for me. I can't wait. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.